resident of Fairfield. I live up the road a little bit, and I've been asked what I know about this piece of property. This, where the condominiums are, used to be a bar lounge. And in the 1960s, when the New York Giants used to have their summer training camp at Fairfield University, some of the members of the New York Giants used to patronize this place, as they did to Joe the Barbers in town, as they did to other retail outlets. And they were part of the community, a part of the fabric of the community. And I think they left for Pace University in the middle 70s to train there. And that's about all I know on the Giants in Fairfield and this saloon here.
You grew up coming to this beach?
Yeah, our family's been members of the Scandinavian Club since I was born. It's right next door. So we always went swimming down here, and the club members have always been. Country Club Fairfield's there. That's Sasko Beach.
And behind us?
Right behind us is the old Regal Estate. This is Pine Creek Point. Well, actually, it's called Mackenzie's Point. And technically, this is part of Sasko Hill, right here. And we're facing Kakini Island, and also Beachside Avenue Southport goes along this whole strip here. Hi, I'm Eric Sunman, walking along the coast, and we're here at Sasko Beach, and on this beautiful day at low tide, and we're about to enter an undefined area on our way to the jetty, and take a look at the channel of Southport Harbor.
I'm Dan Zeman.
I'm Isabel Lynch.
And this will be my first full-time lifeguarding here. And I like it.
Where are we?
We're at Southport Beach right now.
Yep.
Having fun, you know?
It'll be my first year here too, full-time. But my 4th year working for the town.
This will be my 2nd year working for the town. Hoping to have a fun summer here. Keep everyone safe. Do our jobs, watch the water. Let's make it fun for us and for them, for the patrons.
Hi, I'm Marianne Gale Brown of the Connecticut Post. We're here day 8 of the Hearst Communications Breaking the Sound Barrier Beach Walk. And right now we're in Sasko Beach. Actually, we're in the mean high tide area right by the Country Club of Fairfield. And we've seen kayakers, we've seen sailboats, we've seen people just starting to come out on the beach and enjoy the day. And with me is Eric Sunman.
And I'm Eric Sunman from Pine Creek Beach, and I'm with these lovely ladies on a nice beach tour today. And we've traveled from Pine Creek Beach over Sasko Hill, Mackenzie's Point, and to Sasko Beach, and now we're at the Country Club at Fairfield. And we've had excellent weather and access. And I'm also on the RTM in District 1 in Fairfield, and see that the beach is definitely accessible to residents and non-residents with a lot of good parking. And we've met a bunch of nice people along the way. And finally, the sun is out, and we just had a 60-year-old Kershaw in our background leave the harbor. And now we're on our way to downtown Southport.
We are walking along Pequot Road. We can see the coastline, but we cannot access it. We are entering the easement onto Burying Hill. We'll see if we can make it.
Watch the nighthawks, which would fly over when they were migrating. Haven't seen them for years.
I was, but several years we haven't seen those birds, and many other birds, shorebirds, turnstones, and others. Sandpipers.
think we always enjoy coming down, like today when there are sailboat races out there. It's lovely to see the boats.
Do you have a sense of whether Long Island Sound is cleaner or about the same or what?
Wouldn't be a perfect way. Much decline.
We read a lot about
Yeah, we read about it
decline
as
of
well from observations.
sea life.
No, I haven't detected much decline. All the decline has been in bird life.
What do you think's responsible for that?
Well, actually, it's more of not a worldwide phenomenon, but it is a phenomenon all over the Americas here. The environment is in decline for birds, so that just leads to a decline in numbers because habitat has declined and destroyed in some cases. So this is very.
What do you fish for all the time?
Striped bass and bluefish.
And how are they lately?
I think they've been doing great. Especially the bluefish have always been really popular, really heavy populated around here.
Yeah.
But I think they're.
Do you have a favorite fishing spot?
This is my favorite fishing spot for sure.
Because?
Just because it's really secluded. People know about it, and I like it a lot.
Hi, we're here in Westport. We've just crossed over the line from Southport into Westport, from Pequot Avenue to Beachside Avenue, and what we're seeing is, as you can see behind me, a lot of very nice, beautiful homes, private homes, with gates, fences that are topped with some electrical something, and, we don't have access to the coastline here. So it's a little bit of a dead end, so we're making tracks on Beachside Avenue, and we're on our way to Bering Hill Beach.